Hey y'all, so let's jump right into the video. You already know that I've already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned my hair. I put a protein treatment on it, and that's the ORS hair mayonnaise. Then to press out my hair, first thing I use is this Softy Indian hemp grease. And then you know my duo, the famous duo, is the Kara and the Chi. Then I ended up braiding my hair and thinking I was going to do a U-part. I'm not doing the U-part, so that's the only reason why it's crinkly. But yesterday it was really, really flat. But I'm going to still keep going. Okay? So now I'm about to go ahead and mold. I thought I wasn't going to show y'all my molding process since I showed y'all in the video before this one. But I'll go ahead and just show you some clips. And then please disregard my face right here. Sometimes I just wake up and I'm red. I don't know why. Something must have irritated my skin, or maybe I slept on it. I think I slept on it, so that's where I am with that. So if you see me turn to the side, I slept on my face, which is why it looks like that, okay? Alright y'all, I wanted to jump in and say something right here. On my last molding video, I didn't tell y'all, but I was trying to show you more so. Keep your head up when you're molding the back of your hair. Don't keep your head down. Keep it up, okay? Up. Not down. Up. I was taking a picture with my boyfriend, and we were kissing in the back of my nape. Get some Eco Booster. Get some Eco Booster. Oh my gosh. I was so embarrassed. I was like, delete every last one of them damn pictures. Delete every one of them. No. Delete every last one. We're not doing that. And my hair was so slick, but that nape, oh, she was so trifling. All right, y'all. Here we are. I just cut it again. I got a little ripple. I'm not taking it down. Not taking it down. Let's keep going. So from here, I didn't spray it. I forgot to spray it. I only did Eco Booster. I'm using the 2 packs of Sensational Empire Gold hair. This is a 12-inch Yaki. It says it's infused with argan oil, 100% Remy. I'm excited. I'm excited. In the hair store, and look what I found. Oh, this is the braid. Oh my gosh. This is pretty. This is really pretty. I want it to. Oh. Ooh, bitch. Red by Kiss wrap strips. I'm gonna cut this because I want to have enough for my sister house, so I'm not gonna use the other pack. So I'm gonna try to do this with only using one pack. I'm trying to estimate how much I can put in the front. I could probably put that much in the front. So this how much I'm gonna save for the front. Like that much. All right, y'all, last time you seen me, my hair was real put up. It was ready to be curled. I had to take it down, literally, in traffic and cut the freaking rubber bands out. Do not, when you watch this clip back, you're going to see me, like, pull the hair, divide the hair, pull the hair again. Like, don't do that. By the time I wrap this up, I wanted to scream. Literally up in here was, like, crying. So don't split the hair, pull it, split the hair, pull. Don't do that. Don't do that. So I'm going to do this again. And we're gonna keep going, but you're not gonna see that part. So let's just get to the next part. All right, now we're ready. So now I'm gonna take my little flat irons, go piece by piece. Make sure you're not talking while they drilling. Okay, yeah, you're right. She goes in a sea. Outdoors, everybody watching we, all the in-laws. I don't want no problems, why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in my pants. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is stand down. She up with business out on the road. Street to explode. Why you causing problems? Girl, it's not easy. Everybody watching, too hot for TV. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in my back. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is stand up. She up with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch out, she business out on the road. All with business out on the road. All right, y'all. The bobby pins that I have, I need closed bobby pins. Get closed bobby pins. Don't get these open ones I have because it's not holding the bun as tight as I would like it to. You see what I'm saying? Like, you see that right there? If I could close this gap, like right there, I would. But I can't because, oh yeah, my sister is the best sister ever. Okay.
So cute.
It is so super cute.
I like that one hanging down.
I said I think I want to do a few pieces hanging down. It's giving 90s, baby. All right, let's get down to meat and potatoes because I'm about done with this style. All right. First. All right, that track that I kept out for my middle piece, I'm Boom. Now I measure to like right there. I'm gonna cut right where I measured. Then to get even, you're gonna place it over the other one. I'm gonna just get like, I'm gonna do like 4 pieces like that. I should have did this first. That's another tip. Do the front pieces first. I can't even see. This one looking like. So I don't know if I should cut it first or curl it then cut it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go through the channel so you can become a subscriber. We really need more subscribers on this channel to make it count. All right, so anyway, let's jump right into the clips.